Hello everyone. Once again, I am in front of you. This is NILANJAN from CIMAGE Group of Institutions. Today, I am going to deal with 7 superfluous expression. Surprise हो जा रहा है आप इस term से. Superfluous expression is such kind of expression which is used unnecessarily. There are certain kind of sentences in our life we use on daily basis in which we actually use some unnecessary words. And these expressions are known as superfluous expression. If you talk about the competitive examination like IGNITE, या TCS, या NQT, या any of the competitive examination, it's almost a common question from this particular chapter. And this is related to superfluous expression. तो आज हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे ऐसा कुछ एक्सप्रेशन के बारे में जिसमें कुछ वर्ड अननेसेसरीली ऐड किया जाता है, बट फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इट इज रियली गोइंग टू बी वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. सो आज का ये वीडियो कंप्लीटली उन स्टूडेंट लोगों के लिए, उस स्टूडेंट के लिए हम डेडिकेट करना चाहते हैं जो लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, लाइक बैंक पीओ या बैंक क्लरिकल, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इग्नाइट या टीसीएस या एनक्यूटी. These kind of examinations. Yeah, WILP, Wipro Integrated Learning Program. So दोस्तों, आज का इस वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होने जा रहे हैं. अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा और ये समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा कि कहाँ पे अननेसेसरी वर्ड हम लोग यूज करते हैं जो कि एग्जामिनेशन पर्सपेक्टिव में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपको ये वर्ड दोबारा यूज नहीं करना है. Now the question arises कि कहाँ पे किस फॉर्म में ये क्वेश्चन आएगा. Of course there is an important section named as spotting error in competitive examination. आप English section में verb, if I talk about the verbal ability portion, and at that particular portion you will find different kind of questions related to superfluous expression. At that very moment you won't be confused, rather you should be absolutely sure that yes, this word is to be eliminated and this part contains the error. तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज का इस वीडियो में आपको वेलकम करते हैं और इस वीडियो को आप जानिए, अच्छे से देखिए ताकि कौन वर्ड किस जगह पे उपयोग नहीं करना है उसके बारे में क्लियर कट आइडिया आपके दिमाग में आ जाए. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड टुडेज सेशन. The first expression that I am going to discuss, that is lag behind. Number of times in our life we use this particular expression like he is lagging behind. But my dear friend, it's absolutely wrong. If you're speaking English, then you try to speak correct English. You try to use correct words, right? So lag behind is absolutely wrong. Why? Let me know. आपको जानकारी देते हैं. लैग मतलब क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड लैग. इट मींस फॉल बिहाइंड. लैग मतलब पीछे रह जाना, right? So while you are using the word like lag, of course behind, yeah, behind, whatever you call, this word is implied in this particular word like lag. जब आप lag बोलते हो उसमें already implied रहता है behind. So in that particular case, why are you adding once again the word like behind with lag? लैग के साथ बिहाइंड वर्ड आप क्यों यूज कर रहे हो? बिकॉज लैग इटसेल्फ कंटेन्स द एलिमेंट ऑफ बिहाइंड. इट मींस फॉल बिहाइंड. सो द करेक्ट एक्सप्रेशन विल बी ही इज लैगिंग और ही लैग्स. Behind will not be followed by lag. It should be absolutely wrong, right? So is had I interesting? Yes, of course it is going to be interesting. There are so many expressions. You cannot believe there are so many expressions which we use on regular basis. But actually, these expressions are absolutely wrong. You are not supposed to use behind with lag. This was the first expression for today. Now let us know what are the other expressions, and those expressions are going to be really beneficial for you from the perspective of competitive examination. I'm pretty sure about it. So let us move to the next expression of today. The next expression is also interesting, and that is eradicate completely. Now, if you want to eradicate something completely, you should not use the expression like eradicate completely. Why? Because what is the meaning of eradication? Eradicate मतलब क्या होता है? सबसे पहले ये आपको जानना होगा. Eradicate means to remove something completely. So completely word is itself implied in this particular word like eradicate. Eradicate word में completely word already implied hai. So it's unnecessary to use that particular word completely with the word eradicate. So you are not supposed to use that. right? This is redundant. This is superfluous expression, because in this particular expression, completely is absolutely wrong to be used or to be followed by the word eradicate, because eradicate means remove completely. So we are not supposed to use completely after eradicate. This is all about expression number 2 for today. Now let us move to the next expression, and you should come to know that what are the other expressions which are considered superfluous expression and you are not supposed to use those. Now the third expression of today is merge together. If we are saying that merge together, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Merge मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ combine करना, right? While you were talking about the word like merged का मतलब होता है combine. तो combine आप किसको कीजिएगा? Combine कीजिएगा दो particular object को या दो particular thing को, right? So while you were combining, it means that you are joining together. So once you are using the word like merged, why should it be followed by together? Because already it is implied. जब merged आप बोल रहे हो, तो of course you are combining two different kind of things and those are joined together. So already together sense is implied in the word like merged. So it should not be followed by together. It's redundant. It's unnecessary. So that's why merge together is a superfluous expression which you are not supposed to use. Let us know what is the fourth expression of today. The fourth one is really interesting because I have found number of competitive examination. I have found this kind of question related to spotting error in which you will find the expression like each and every. ऐसा कई examination है, चाहे आप बैंक पीओ का बात करो, बैंक क्लैरिकल की बात करो, या आप विप्रो की बात करो, WILP या NQT या TCS या Ignite, whatever it may be. This is a very common question. Spotting error section में each and every word या expression use किया जाता है. But my dear friends, it's absolutely wrong. Now why is it so? Let us know. Each word का मतलब क्या होता है? Each मतलब होता है everyone, हर कोई, प्रत्येक, right? So once you are using the word like each, already everyone is implied in that. Every तो already implied है. So why are you using these two words like each and every? Every is not to be used. While you are using already each, तो each के साथ every आप कभी नहीं use करोगे. If you are using just like that, then it will be considered superfluous expression. It's unnecessary addition of words. Each should not be followed by every. That this is fourth expression of today, which you have come to know. And in your coming examination, you are not going to do this kind of mistake. I'm pretty sure about it. Let us know what is the fifth expression of today. The fifth one is new innovations. My dear student, what do you mean by innovation? Innovation का मतलब क्या होता है? चलिए पहले हम लोग ये जान लेते हैं. Innovation means something new. Already दो existing चल रहा है, उससे थोड़ा हटके कुछ नयापन, right? Something new. So new innovations is absolutely wrong. While you are using the word like innovations, already new is implied in that. New तो already है. Innovations मतलब something new. तो already जब है new, तो why are you using once again the word new with the word innovations? It's redundant. It's absolutely superfluous expression. So you are not supposed to use this expression in any of the examinations or in your daily life whenever you are going to use any kind of expressions just like that, right? So new innovations is wrong. It should be only innovations. New will not be added to this particular word. This is expression number 5. Let us know what is expression number 6. It is careful scrutiny. Now, my dear students, what do you mean by scrutiny? पहले आप जान लो scrutiny क्या होता है. Scrutiny मतलब होता है careful examination. If you are examining something very carefully, then you can call that particular word like scrutiny. Examination paper scrutinize किया जाता है, right? So careful examination को बोला जाता है scrutiny. So already careful sense is implied in the word like scrutiny. So once again, why are you using this particular word careful with the word scrutiny? It's absolutely wrong. Right? So according to meaning, you will come to know that yes, it is a wrong expression which we generally use in our daily life. So you should not use from now onwards, right? So scrutiny means careful examination. So careful word, once again, you should not add with the word like scrutiny. It's absolutely wrong. So you have to remove the word careful with the word scrutiny, right? So this expression is the sixth expression of today. Now let us move to expression number 7. What is that? Let us know. Well, I must say that this is the most common form of mistakes, whatever we do in our daily life. Protest against. Number of times I have heard the people to say that he is protesting against this one. Why are you using against? प्रोटेस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रोटेस्ट मीन्स रेजिंग सम ऑब्जेक्शन. सो ऑब्जेक्शन जब आप करते हैं किसी चीज के खिलाफ ही करेंगे. ऑफ कोर्स अगर किसी चीज के खिलाफ नहीं करोगे तो यू आर फेवरिंग दैट. जस्ट माइंड इट. सो प्रोटेस्ट का मतलब ही होता है किसी चीज का विरोध करना, एंड इट शुड बी अगेंस्ट समथिंग, राइट? सो विद द वर्ड प्रोटेस्ट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज against. It's absolutely wrong. This is called redundancy. This is called superfluous expression. So protest word cannot be followed by, or rather should not be followed by against. Why? Because against is already implied in the word like protest. It means objection, and it should be against something. So you are not supposed to use against with the word protest from now onwards, right? This is expression number 7 of superfluous expression. Let us know what is the 8th one. So these are all the 7th redundant expressions or superfluous expression I have shared with you. Now, my dear students, you just be careful while using these kind of words, right? In examination, in any of the competitive examination, you can be provided this kind of questions in the form of spotting error. At that very moment, you are not supposed to use these particular expressions. You should be careful that what is the actual word and what does it mean. If you are quite sure about the meaning, then definitely you should not add unnecessary words in that. So it will be really easier for you to pick that slot, right? So I'm quite sure that everything has been understood by you, and I've tried my level best to satisfy you. और आप इसको बार बार practice करोगे in your daily life. In the coming videos, I will present all lots of superfluous expression apart from this one, and you will be really benefited for that. I'm quite sure about it. तो आज का इस वीडियो में आप अगर इसको आप इसको लाइक किए, आप अगर इसको पसंद किए तो डेफिनेटली इसको लाइक करोगे, और इस वीडियो को बार बार आप देखिए और उसके बाद जानकारी लेने की कोशिश करें कि कौन वर्ड को किस वर्ड के साथ हम लोग यूज करें. ऐसा नहीं कि अननेसेसरी वर्ड्स को हम लोग ऐड करें, राइट? ओके, सो फ्रॉम माय साइड टुडे दैट्स ऑल, and thank you all for patient listening to me, and I'm quite sure that this will be really going to be beneficial for you from the perspective of competitive examination. In the coming days, I will be presenting more interesting videos for you, and I'm quite sure that all those videos will be really beneficial for you from the perspective of competitive examination. All the best wishes for the coming examination. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.